Hi friends, today we will learn how to insert a row and a column in Excel. So let's start. First, I will select the row above or below which I have to insert a row. Suppose here I am selecting the row 4. Now go to the Home tab and there under the cell group there is an option Insert. Click on it, a drop down will open. Then second option is there, Insert Sheet Rows. Click on it. Row above the selected row is inserted. Now for inserting a column, let me select the column. I am selecting the column H. Now again go to the Home tab and there under the cell group click on the insert option. A drop down will open and click insert sheet columns. A sheet column will be inserted on the left side of the selected column. Another way to insert the row and a column is select the row. Suppose row 6 is selected. Now right click on it. Then there is an option insert. Click on it. A row will be inserted. Now for inserting the column, suppose I am selecting the column I, then right click on it, a drop down will open, then click on insert. A column will be inserted. I hope you have liked this video. If you liked it, please share to your friends and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching.